Alright, so we talked about this the other day on Friday. We're making a pesto, which is basil pesto with peas, and it's going to have some green chilies in it, so it's going to be a hot chili pesto with olive oil. Alright, a couple of cups of peas. Just going to blanch these with some boiling water. Just a couple of cloves of garlic. Just throw those in with the peas. Alright, just chopping up the basil. Chop that up pretty small so I can blend it up. Cool, so that's everything in there now. That's the chopped up basil. And now I'm going to put a ton of olive oil in here to get it to blend all together. Probably about nearly 100 mils olive oil. Cool. Instant pesto. Alright, here we go, all done. Man, that is amazing.